Maya, ground temp just dropped 6 degrees in 10 minutes.
That doesn't happen.
Get behind me.
Nobody's gonna believe this. Nobody's.
You came back. No, not yet. We need more time.
Time for what?
AI movies are taking over the internet right now, and this entire scene was created 100% with AI. No cameras, no actors, and no filmmaking experience required. Today, I'll show you my complete workflow for creating a cinematic AI movie with Akool AI, then how to submit it to the official competition. This competition features over $30,000 grand prize, $15,000 for most creative, $15,000 for best ad, 10 Akool picks worth $1,000 each, and a $100 creator bonus for every qualified submission. Before we get started, subscribe to JaxPrompten AI and turn on notifications for more AI filmmaking tutorials. Now, let's get into it.
Command, be advised. Ground is opening up ahead of the creatures. Something's coming up, not just them coming in. No, hold fire!
I've already put together a master prompt, so you won't waste any time figuring one out from scratch. I'll leave it for you to grab. I'll copy that master prompt and paste it into Claude AI, then copy my film idea and paste that in as well. Once everything's in, I'll click Send. Now watch what happens. Claude AI immediately starts building out a complete movie script from just that one idea. In my master prompt, I've capped the story at 6 scenes to keep this demo manageable, but that number is totally flexible. You can push it to 100 scenes or more, which means you could technically build a movie up to 2 hours long using this exact same workflow. I'm not writing a single word of this script myself. Claude AI does all the heavy lifting. Now let's move to the next step, because this is where a lot of AI films fall apart. Character consistency. I'll head back to my Google Docs file where I keep all my prompts saved, copy my character sheet prompt, and paste it into Claude AI. Then I'll click Send. Here's what this prompt actually does. It tells Claude AI to analyze the full movie script and generate a detailed prompt for every character in the story, covering their appearance, clothing, facial features, and any other visual detail mentioned in the script. This is what keeps your characters looking the same in Scene 1 and Scene 20. I'll copy the prompt for my first character, switch over to Akool, and open the image generator. I'll paste the prompt into the box, select GPT 2.0 as my model, and generate 2 images so I can compare them and pick the stronger one. I'll set the aspect ratio to 16:9 and the resolution to 4K, then click Generate. And there it is, the first character sheet, generated successfully. I'll go back to Claude AI, grab the prompt for character 2, paste it into Akool, and click Generate again. I'll repeat this exact process. Copy from Claude, paste into Akool, generate, until every character sheet for the movie is done. Once all your character sheets are finished, download the best version of each one. These images are going to follow your characters through the entire film, so pick carefully. This is the secret that makes everything work, so don't skip this part. Go back to Claude AI and click Add Files, then upload all the images for Scene 1. In my case, Scene 1 needs 2 character images and 1 forest background image, based on the workflow Claude laid out earlier. Next, I'll copy a prompt I prepared specifically for merging these separate images into one consistent scene. I'll paste it into Claude AI and click Send. That gives me a ready-to-use Scene 1 composition prompt. I'll copy the whole thing, switch back to Akool, and this time, instead of text to image, I'll open image to image. I'll upload those same 3 Scene 1 images, paste in the composition prompt, and click Generate. And there's our final Scene 1 image, fully merged and cinematic. I'll download it. Now let's see the same process for Scene 2, so you can really understand how this repeats. I'll go back to Claude AI, upload the Scene 2 images, and use the exact same composition prompt from before. Paste it in, click Send. Watch this. The Scene 2 prompt is ready. I'll copy it, head back to Akool, clear out the previous images, upload the new Scene 2 images exactly as shown in Claude AI, paste the prompt, and click Generate. Look at how it takes multiple separate images and turns them into a single, cohesive cinematic shot. This one prompt is doing a lot of work. I'll download this image too, and from here, it's just rinse and repeat. Same steps, every scene until they're all merged. This is honestly one of the easiest ways to keep your characters looking consistent across an entire movie. Follow this exact workflow with the prompts I've prepared, and your cast will look identical from the opening shot to the credits. Now it's time to bring these still images to life. Open the image generator and switch over to image to video. Normally, you could generate a video from just 1 or 2 images, but I want more control than that, so I'll switch to all-in-one creation mode, which lets me combine multiple images and video references at once. Since we're starting with Scene 1, I'll upload the final Scene 1 image. Then I'll jump back to Claude AI and upload that same Scene 1 image so it has full context of the scene. Next, I'll copy my video generation prompt, paste it into Claude AI, and click Send. That gives me a video prompt built specifically for Scene 1. I'll copy it, head back to Akool, paste it into the prompt box, and click Generate. The video's finished. Let's watch it.
My ground temp just dropped 6 degrees in 10 minutes.
That doesn't happen.
Get behind me.
The visual quality is great, and the sound design really pulls it together. Here's where things get interesting, and this is a secret most filmmakers never actually share. If I just generate the next video on its own, it won't naturally pick up from where the last scene left off. You'll get a jump cut instead of a story. Here's the fix. I take a screenshot of the very last frame of the completed video, then upload that screenshot along with the images for the next scene into Claude AI. I've prepared a separate prompt that analyzes both scenes together and builds a transition that connects them smoothly, so the story keeps moving instead of resetting. I'll copy that prompt, paste it into Claude AI, and click Send. Claude generates a transition prompt that bridges Scene 1 into Scene 2. I'll copy it, switch back to Akool, and switch to all-in-one creation mode again since we're working with multiple images this time. I'll upload everything needed, paste in the transition prompt, and click Generate. The second video is ready. Let's watch it.
My ground temp just dropped 6 degrees in 10 minutes.
That doesn't happen.
Get behind me.
Nobody's gonna believe this. Nobody's.
You came back.
You can see exactly how the story flows right out of the previous scene, with the characters staying visually consistent the whole way through. We'll repeat this exact process for every remaining scene in the movie. Click on the finished video, pause on the last frame, and take a screenshot. Upload that screenshot to Claude AI, along with the images for the next scene. Paste the same transition prompt you used before, just update the scene number to match, and click Send. Once the new prompt is ready, copy it, upload the screenshot, and next scene's images into Akool, paste the prompt, and click Generate. The third video is done. Let's watch the final result.
Not yet. No, not yet. We need more time.
Time for what?
Notice how the story picks up exactly where the last scene ended, creating one continuous, seamless film instead of a bunch of disconnected clips. From here, just repeat this workflow scene by scene until your entire movie is complete. Once every scene is finished, it's time to combine everything into one final film. Download all of your generated scene videos, then head back to Akool and open the AI video editor. Upload every scene video and arrange them in order on the timeline until the story flows smoothly from the opening scene to the very end. Once you're happy with how it plays, export and download your final movie. And that's it. Your cinematic AI film is officially complete and ready for the competition. Now let's get you entered. Head to the home page and click Enter to Win, or use the direct link I've included below. That page has the full official competition brief with all the submission requirements and important details you'll need. You'll also find the option there, cool logo from your submitted video before you send it in. Scroll down and fill out your information, your name, your personal email address, and the email tied to your Akool account. Then paste in the link to your video, which you'll need to have uploaded online beforehand. I'll copy my video link, paste it into the submission form, and click Enter to Win. That's it. Your AI movie is submitted and you're officially in the competition. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like the video, subscribe to JaxPrompten AI, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next AI filmmaking tutorial. More videos are coming soon. See you in the next one.